Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Lucky Patcher with Gardenscapes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone. If you do not have the application, go to the App Store on your mobile phone and download Gardenscapes. So after downloading Gardenscapes, guys, now we can get started with using Lucky Patcher. So what you want to do first, guys, is go ahead and open up the Gardenscapes application, and you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, where you can see you have the button to get started playing or to save your progress. So you want to start playing, and this will now save your data. So now we can exit out of the application and get started with using Lucky Patcher. So the first thing we need to do is download Lucky Patcher. So you want to go ahead and search Google for Lucky Patcher, and you want to go ahead to the official website, which is luckypatchers.com. So here you can go ahead and download it, open up the web page and download Lucky Patcher, and after installing the application on your mobile phone, you will be able to open it up and select the Gardenscapes application to mode it. So you can select what you want to enable. Maybe you want to enable some cheats or you want to remove ads, doesn't matter. But basically guys, you can select whatever you want. But guys, it's important to note that Lucky Patcher probably doesn't work anymore with Gardenscapes because they have disabled the option for it to work, but you can still try, as maybe sometime it will work. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it and how to get started using Lucky Patcher. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.